So volunteering to me is a really important thing to do because you are giving back to your community and you're giving back to people who have honestly given you so much.
It gives you a sense of satisfaction without a monetary value. I think that it's pretty much the most rewarding thing I've ever done.
Like being in college, you're just so self-focused and you're just worried about yourself, and I started to feel like such a selfish and self-absorbed person, and I wanted to find a way to give back and to get involved and just help someone else.
So my sorority, we do 2 philanthropy events a year, and then I am on the exec team for Into the Streets, where we go into the streets of Stillwater and we help elderly people with yard work, and this is honestly my favorite philanthropy that I'm involved with.
I volunteer at Tiny Paws Kitten Rescue here in Stillwater. It's just a few miles from campus, where we take care of orphaned kittens. We bottle feed, we nurse them back to health, and get them ready for their forever homes. Day in and day out of life, you don't always get that gratification back that you're looking for, but for those kittens and the way that they kind of praise you and they know that you're helping them, it just really makes me feel good.
On campus, I've been involved with Cowboy for the past 3 years. It's OSU's largest student-run philanthropy, and we raise money for the Children's Miracle Network, which is an affiliate of the Children's Hospital in OKC.
So this year at Cowboy we raised over $165,000, which is incredible.
Find your strengths and find what makes you feel good, and then apply it how you can in your daily life.
Definitely utilize Campus Link. It is incredible. We have over 500 student organizations, most of them being philanthropy driven.
Just put yourself out there and just don't be afraid. Don't hold back. College is all about taking risks and taking chances and trying new things, and you're likely to succeed.